Hey there, welcome back to the channel. If you're working on a website with Webflow, you've probably noticed that little Made in Webflow badge hanging out at the bottom of your site. While it's a nice shout out to the platform, I know that sometimes, especially for clients or portfolio projects, you want your site to look as clean and professional as possible. In this quick tutorial, I'll walk you step by step through how to remove the Made in Webflow branding from your site for that polished, custom look. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly where to find the settings, how to make the change, and a couple tips to make sure your site looks perfect when you're finished. Let's get started. The first thing you'll want to do is make sure you're logged into your Webflow dashboard looking at the correct project. Now, here's a key detail. Removing the Webflow branding is a feature that's only available if you're on one of Webflow's paid site plans. So if you're on the free tier right now, don't worry, you can still follow along, and I'll show you where to upgrade if you decide you're ready. With your project open, head over to your site's settings. It's easy to find, just look for that little gear icon next to your project. Give it a click and you'll land on the site settings page. Take your time here, there are lots of options, but we want to focus on plans for now. Next, move over to the Plans tab at the top. This is where you'll see all the available site plans from basic to advanced. Find the one that suits your project's needs and hit the upgrade button. Webflow will guide you through the payment process, and if you're not sure which plan you need, don't hesitate to compare features. Sometimes the starter plan is all you need. Other times you might go for the CMS or business plan if you want more functionality. Remember, you only need to upgrade for the sites you want branding removed, not your entire account. Once you've finished upgrading your plan, give yourself a little pat on the back. Now go back to the General tab within your site settings. This section controls all sorts of core features about your site, and it's where the magic happens for removing the branding. Scroll down gently until you spot the Webflow branding section. Take a look, you'll see a couple of toggle switches here, including Display Made in Webflow Badge and Display Webflow Branding in HTML. Both of these control different places where Webflow gives itself a little credit, either visually on the page or tucked away in your site's code. Simply switch both toggles off. Don't stress if it takes a moment to find the exact spot. Webflow's interface is pretty intuitive once you get used to it. Turning these off tells Webflow that you want your site to stand fully on its own, no visible platform branding for your viewers. And just like that, you're done. Make sure you save your changes, then go ahead and publish your site again to see the results in action. Take a fresh look, the badge should be completely gone, giving your site that extra edge of professionalism. If you run into any issues or if you're not seeing the changes right away, try clearing your browser cache or publishing again. Sometimes updates take a minute to show up. And remember, you can always come back to these settings if you change your mind. I hope this helped you take your Webflow site to the next level. If you found this guide useful, don't forget to hit that like button, share your experiences or questions in the comments below. I love hearing how your projects are going, and subscribe for more straightforward tutorials like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.